Now, I don't consider myself to be an expert in automatic coop door openers, but I've reviewed quite a few of them on this channel, and I know a little bit about them. What I do know is that this company is a scam. Now, if you've been on any social media at all in recent months, you've probably seen this video. As you saw in the video, they show the coop door opener in all different kinds of scenarios and allowing the chickens in and out. They also dunk it in water and it still operates. All that's great. They even show a couple of happy customers. The reason I know this company's a scam is because I'm one of those customers that shows up in that video. And I never bought a coop door opener for them. What this company's doing is they're stealing the content from Run Chicken and they're using it as their own coop door opener. You think you're buying this high quality piece of equipment, and in fact, you're just probably going to be getting some cheap plastic piece of crap out of China. Now, I didn't buy one of those door openers. I wasn't going to give them my money, but do not think you're getting what they're showing in that video. That coop door opener in the video is a Run Chicken door opener. That's the one that I have. I actually have two of them. All that they did in their video was just digitally remove the Run Chicken logo from the front of the door opener. Otherwise, that is the Run Chicken coop door opener. So I'm confident in saying that this company is a scam, and I wouldn't trust sending them $1 of your money. I contacted Run Chicken about it. As soon as I saw it, I was like, wait a second, that's me. So I knew that wasn't there. I knew that this company was already a scam right then. I also contacted Homestead. He's the other happy customer shown in that video, and he was aware that this happens from time to time, and these companies are out there stealing content from Run Chicken. Run Chicken said they run into this all the time as well, and they try to take them down, but after a while it's just not worth the effort of trying to it's like whack-a-mole. You hit him over here and he pops up over here. And they might get one video taken down and then another one will just pop up somewhere else. All by the same company though. So buyer beware. Don't trust the comments underneath those videos showing really happy customers. They're probably all lies. This company is a scam artist. It's a fraud. Do not buy this chicken coop door opener. It's probably not what you're going to get. I'm going to guess it's going to be a cheap piece of plastic, and if you stuck it underwater, it will short out and bust. The Run Chicken one, you can put underwater and it'll continue to operate no problem. It'll run in all kinds of weather. And the original one that I installed, over 2 years now, still running on the same batteries, the original batteries that came with the product. Usually those are the piece of crap batteries that they give you just to get you going with the product. These things are still running without a hitch. Opens and closes every single day, no problems. I have no problems at all recommending the Run Chicken coop door opener. And if you want to see the original video I posted, check out this video right here. That shows me installing the door, how it operates, all that to automate the process of opening and closing your chicken coop without having to physically do it yourself. I needed it at the time because I was going away, and it came through in flying colors. Chickens were able to come in and out of the coop, no problems. If you want to see a comparison between a $30 plastic Chinese chicken coop door opener, check out this video right here. I compare it to the Run Chicken Coop door opener. You can make that one work, but it's going to take some work. And then I got another one, which I guess I'll link to here as well. And that's with a digital interface. There's some benefits to that one, I'll admit, but there was some problems with that as well. So this was just a quick video just to warn you that this company is not what it seems to be, and do not trust it. Fraud, scam, stay away. Okay, thanks for watching.